Okay, after we've been working on this estimate, solve, and check strategy, we want kids to be able to apply it to word problems and to bigger kinds of division problems. But we also want them to reason about the algorithm and think about what the parts mean. And that's what we're going to do in this next part. So here's a classic division problem. I need to put 887 marbles into bags of 27. And that, of course, is this problem, 887 divided by 27. And so first of all, I'm going to estimate. I'm going to round off this number first to 30. And then I'm going to think, what are multiples of 3 that would get me something that looks like this? 3, 6, 9. Oh, 9 looks like an 8. So 900 divided by 30. And I would divide by 10, divide by 10. 90 divided by 3 would be about 30. And that's what's going to be my estimate that guides the actual work that I do. Now when I go to solve this problem, I'm going to write down 887 divided by 27. And I'm going to think about my estimate here. How many 27s go into 8? None. How many go into 88? And really that's 880. There's my estimate, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to put the 3 up there, and I'm going to put kind of a ghost 0 there to show that I know that that really means 30. And 3 times 27 is 81. But really it's 30 times 27, which would be 810. And it's important for kids to know that those numbers really are there. It's really not 3, it's 30. Then we want kids to be able to reason about what those numbers mean in the division problem. What does the 30 mean? The 30 means number of bags of marbles made so far. We put 27 marbles into 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags, 30 bags. What does the 810 mean? That is number of marbles used to make those 30 bags. And then we're going to subtract, and we're going to get 77. And that equals the number of marbles left to divide. We still have those to divide up. They're not all used up yet. We haven't put them into bags of 27 yet. Now, we still have this 77 marbles left over that we can put into bags. So we take our 27, we divide it into 77, and I know that 27 times 3 is 81, so it's probably going to be 2, because 3 is too many. And then over here I might do the actual multiplication if I didn't know it. And that would be 54. And then I would subtract, and I would get 23. And again, I would be asking the students, what does the 2 mean? 2 more bags of marbles that were made. What does the 54 mean? 54 marbles that were used to make those 2 bags. And what does the 23 mean? 23 marbles that are left over that we have not used yet. And it's less than 27, so we know we can't make an extra bag. It's not enough. We got 23 marbles we're just going to have to give away. Now I got to go through and check it. My quotient is 32 bags of marbles, and I'm multiplying it by 27. 32 times 27. They get to practice the multiplication that they did earlier in the module. That is equal to 864 marbles. Want to make sure that we label our units. And then I want to ask them, but we had 887 before, how come we only have 864 now? And they need to be able to tell me, oh Rick, you forgot all about those 23 down there that I need to add back because they're the extras. And we get back to our 887 marbles, which is what we started with right there.